Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a plan with me video. Today I'm using the Mother's Day kit from my shop. This is in the old format, which has 7 sheets instead of the newer format, which has 8 sheets plus some like little freebie sheets. So this is a different format. This is our old format, but I still wanted to use this kit. I think it's really pretty and perfect to celebrate Mother's Day, which is on Sunday, which is insane. So crazy. So anyway, that is the kit that I'm using. I'm actually going to speed up and play music while I'm putting the base down, and then when I start actually getting into the plans, I will come back on and share with you guys what's happening this week. So getting into the plans for the week. On Monday, I had a busy busy editing day. So I needed to do a lot of editing for my YouTube channel. I also uploaded a behind the scenes vlog, which was basically what I was editing for most of the morning. I also had a couple other things to edit, but like I said, it was just a busy editing day for my YouTube channel. I got it all done, which is really nice. It always feels nice to get that out of the way because editing does take a little bit of time. So it's nice when I can be like, oh, that's done. But basically I took this flat lay sticker of like a computer and a half box to mark that because it literally took up like a good chunk of my day just editing videos. And then I follow that up with just kind of a little washi strip just to fill in some white space because I don't like having just like a chunk of white space like that. And then I marked that the behind the scenes vlog went up. I like to mark whenever my videos go up just so I know like what's going up that day, or whenever I look back I can see when a video when I uploaded it and everything. Then after that I put down a quarter box with a grocery cart to indicate that we needed to go grocery shopping because our weekend was insane and we didn't get that done. And I'm not sure why, like our weekends lately have just been so crazy busy, and I'm kind of just looking forward to it slowing down a little bit, though I'm not sure when that will happen, but our weekends have been insane lately. So we definitely needed to go grocery shopping. We went to Trader Joe's and we also went to Lowe's. I've become obsessed with Trader Joe's, for real. It's bad. Then I put down a little things label for meal planning, or a meal little thing, a TV little thing, and then an exercise little thing. So for our food, we had leftovers. We had leftover Thai basil beef, something like that I made. It's really good, but if you are not into spicy things, you would not like it. We also restarted Stranger Things because season 4 is coming out later this month, and it's been so long since we've seen all the episodes. I think the last time we watched Stranger Things was probably 3 years ago when season 3 came out. So I kind of forgot everything that's happened, so I needed to do a rewatch. So we started that, and then we also worked out Monday night. So on Tuesday, I knew it was going to be a big design day, so I marked that with a half box and this little computer, which I believe is from Planned and Pretty Co., and I think her shop is on a break right now. So yeah. Then I put down this little heart little thing to mark that I was going to film a vlog. I actually ended up doing a different video, so I left that label in my planner, but I did a design with me video of the kit that I was designing today. And then I put down a little thin label for printing and cutting, which I didn't put the cutting one down yet, but I did put the printing one. I just haven't written in it yet. And then I also put down my little things at the bottom for what we were going to eat, exercise, and TV. And then I go back and I put in that I want to print the kits and I want to cut the kits once I'm done designing them. I also put down a quarter box with a little cleaning icon to note that I wanted to do some cleaning. I kind of just like to do cleaning throughout the week and then have like a big major clean like Friday or Thursday depending on the week. So I'm going to mark that. And then also I wanted to mark that we're going to watch Stranger Things, which I put in strangers, and that's not what I meant. I was just distracted, I guess, whenever I wrote that. And then also walk, because I've been doing like a 30-minute like cardio walk. So need to keep up with my exercise. So moving on to Wednesday, I just put down all of my little things at the bottom because those are things that are happening each day that I know of. So I was like, I'll go ahead and put these here and then I'll go from there. So starting up at the top, I believe. No, maybe I'm still working with stickers. It's so hard when I don't record, like I don't talk while I'm planning and then trying to go back and do the voiceover. It can be a little difficult. Okay, apparently I just skipped to the other side. So now I'm putting down the glitter headers and the date covers. So yeah, I probably should have sped this up too, but oh well. I feel like this week is just going to be busy with work stuff because the TPC sale is next week and I want to make sure I have a lot of new things in the shop. So it's definitely going to be a busy week of just working and designing stuff because I don't want to have to worry about designing stuff next week. I've got to do all like the photographs and just like the social media and all of that. So I want to get all of my designing done this week. So I feel like it's just going to be a design heavy week. I am very excited about the kits that are coming out and I can't wait to share them with you guys. But yeah, they won't come out until next Thursday. So actually next week with the videos, I'll have a new release video on Thursday instead of Friday. And I'll probably have like a behind the scenes vlog on Friday. So anyway, but now we're just going to get into planning the rest of the week, which like I said, it's just going to be a bunch of designing and just working on stuff. Like I wish I had more interesting things to share with you guys, but yeah, it's just a lot of work. Let me know what you guys are doing this week. Is there anything exciting happening in your life? Let me know. I know we have church on Sunday and it's Mother's Day, so I'm sure we're going to be doing something like with James's family. I'm not going to Tennessee this year for Mother's Day. I actually won't see my family until the end of the month, and we're going somewhere to celebrate my birthday. So yeah, I probably won't really get to see them until then. I don't think I'll be able to go to Tennessee before then. So anyway, that's what's happening. As you can see, I'm still just putting down my little things labels, and it's just basically always going to be Stranger Things and walk and then whatever meal I decide to eat that day. On Saturday, we are planning on going to the movies. I guess we're going to go see Doctor Strange. Is that the one that's coming out? I'm not like huge into Doctor Strange, and so I'm not that excited about it, but James wanted to go see it, and so like we're getting together with some friends and going to see it, and I don't know, whatever. We also have our niece's baseball game on Saturday, so we'll be going to that, and then her practice on Friday night. So I will eventually be putting in labels for that. You guys, there we go. You can see it now. I actually started to put down the video that was going to go up on Friday, but then I decided that wasn't enough room because I remembered that we had our niece's baseball practice that we go to on Friday nights, so I needed to move that up a little bit. So you guys will see that in a minute. I'm also going to try to get my nails done on Friday because they're looking, quite long. So then I realized that I had a video going up on Wednesday, so I wanted to mark that. And then of course I flip back. At this point I just get kind of like jumpy all over the place with my plans and planning out my week. I don't know why, you guys. This was just a week where I didn't know everything that was going on, but at the same time, like I knew that there's going to be a lot of work this week. This is just basically going to be a design all week sort of thing, and that's, I'm that's fine. But it's hard to like put that in your planner and like fill everything out when it's like, okay, I'm just going to design and then I'm going to worry about printing and cutting and taking the photos and listings and all of that later, because my plan for this week is to actually design and then do all of that stuff next week as we gear up for the sale. I'm really, really excited. I have new pins that came in, new sticky notes, notepads are also on their way. So I have that. I have like new like postcards that go in each order, and I'm just really excited about it. So I'm definitely like gonna have a lot of things to take photos of and do listings of and everything like that. So my plan is to design all this week and then do all of that next week. So that is the plan. Obviously, how many times can I say that is my plan? But yeah, so anyway, I just feel like the plan with me was a little all over the place after about Tuesday, but that's just because I didn't have like a solid plan. I had an idea of what I was doing, but I don't like to fill out my planner if I am unsure of what's going to happen or if I feel like something's going to have to get moved around. I think I'd really like to just start doing like memory plan with me's, so that way I plan after everything's happened and it flows more and like it's just a better situation for you guys. But when I did the poll, everybody just wanted to see like videos like this. So let me know in the comments below, do you prefer memory planning or do you like stuff like this where you kind of see plans in real time even if I don't have all the plans worked out for the week? Let me know in the comments below. But that is how this week turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.